Hello everyone, I'm Phil Karen with Club and Resort Business. We have here today an unpackaging from our friends at Blue Tees Golf. My colleague Rob Thomas had recently featured the player speaker from Blue Tees Golf, which of course allows golfers to enjoy music as they make their way around the golf course, and obviously an item that clubs can carry in their pro shop if they'd like. I today have two more traditional items, golf items from Blue Tees Golf, a magnetic towel, golf towel, and a Divot Tool. And the neat thing about both of these, when you're thinking about carrying these items in your pro shop, is that a real selling point is that each of these are multifunctional. It's more than just a towel, more than just a Divot Tool. We'll take a look here first at the towel. Here it is from Blue Tees Golf. Get this out. Has a magnetic strip on it. I think I can get that here, show that on here, which you can use. You could attach it to a cart, clubs. If your little golfer's a little concerned about using the magnetic strip, you don't trust that, we still have the good old buckle as well to hook it to a golf bag as well. Other item feature of this towel that makes it interesting and unique is that it also has down here groove cleaner and scrub brush function here as well, as you can kind of show that as well right here. So that's kind of neat. I know as a golfer, I'm in my late 40s now. When I started out playing golf as a younger person, teenager, sometimes I would even use tees to clean my club faces, which probably wasn't a great idea. Scratch them up. This obviously would do that much better and keep your club faces in good working order. So that's really neat. Golf towel to carry in your pro shop, in the clubhouse. This one I'm holding is 18 inches by 18 inches. That's the standard size, probably fairly normal, traditional size that people are used to having as far as a towel. There is also, though, a caddy size, which is 18 inches by 39 inches. So, your weekend golfers like myself would probably be happy with this. I would think a more serious golfer, somebody who's out several times a week, somebody who's a competitive golfer playing in tournaments, would probably like that 18 by 39 approach as well. And it does come in multiple colors. You can see this is a black, but it looks like a great product. Second product from Blue Tees Golf. Again, multifunctional as well. Traditional, we have a Divot Tool here. Our box. I'm going to get this out real quick. And here we go. A Divot Tool, in addition to fixing ball marks, as a traditional Divot Tool kit does, also has a ball marker and, of course, a spot to keep that ball marker. Can also clean grooves on your club face. Also functions as a club tee, as I understand it. If people if I'm pulling up to a green and I'm taking my wedge and my putter with me because I have a chip shot to the green. As I'm chipping, I can put that putter right here on top of that club tee, keep the grips dry. Another nice little feature for golfers out there. So again, great item to sell in the pro shop as people are heading out for a round of 9 or 18 holes. So check them out. That's Blue Tees Golf. Check it out at blueteesgolf.com. But before you do that, do me a favor. Hit the like button here below. Subscribe to our channel. The Club and Resort Business will, of course, show you more items you can find at your pro shop, for your pro shop, food and beverage, anything like that at all. Until then, take care, stay well, have a great day.